Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Moore, back again for another YouTube video. So, it is currently Monday, December 1st, 2025, 6:38 a.m. Let's break this down. So, coming to the market, as you can tell, this week I'm looking to buy from this structure point. What would I need? I need price to have a retracement here. So, coming to the market this morning, I'm looking to sell from here down here. Yeah, let's see what's popping. 1 hour, price action, just a bunch of consolidation right here. Okay, so I'm looking for an area to sell down. There is one on the 15-minute. It's a decent order block, not the best. There's actually two. Actually, just one. Okay, so I could be looking to take a sell from here, but to be frank, I would need a shift the structure down here. Yeah, I need to shift the structure right here. Actually, let's go into 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Actually, let's put it here. Yeah, I need to shift the structure below this structure point because on the 15-minute, then it would shift structure, even though it's already bearish. But if it breaks below here on the 5-minute, then we know, okay. Let me just put that there. Put 5 minutes. Alright, cool. So I'm just gonna leave that there. Honestly, not in a rush to take a trade. If I get a sell today, cool. If not, then that's fine as well. But there's no need to rush into taking a trade today. Yeah, so I'll be looking for a sell opportunity and take it all the way down to this structure point right here. So I think this big move that I'm expecting most likely will happen Wednesday, because I'm thinking today's candlestick opens up, pushes down here. I don't think it's going to make it all the way down here in one day. Tuesday's candlestick opens up, taps into the structure point, makes like a nice doji like it did here. Like this price action right here. That's what I'm expecting. So Monday's candlestick could have a big push like this to the downside. Tuesday could give me this pin bar right here, but I would like it to close blue. And then Wednesday we can expect to push to the upside. So right now just looking for the sells down here. It's a counter trend trade, but if I follow my trade plan and risk correctly, then it's a good trade. It's fine. GPUSD, same thing at NZUSD. I'm waiting for the pullback to this structure point and then to buy from here. 4 hour, actually doing our consolidation. 1 hour, actually, 1 hour price action is not that bad. 15-minute. See, there's no clear order block to sell from. So what I would do is I would wait for price to make one and then to sell from that point. Yeah, there's nothing on here. Alright, cool. So just gonna keep watching it. There's not a move happening today on GPSC. But it's also good if I don't take a trade. Like I'm expecting this big move, so I would need price to have the pullback and then to give me the. Actually, let's see. There is news today, right? Yeah, PMI. Okay, just gotta be careful about that. USD JPY. Honestly, this move already happened. Weekly. So I was looking at this and I was asking myself, okay, this candlestick was having a big push like this. The weekly did not make a top wick. And I was like, okay, price is also gonna pull back and make that top wick. But here's the thing though, price, like as you can tell, price open here didn't make that bottom wick, just kept going up. Here, didn't make that top wick, just kept going. Here, it kind of make a top wick, but then push the downside. Here, didn't make the top wick, push the downside. Like, so it does this often on USD JPY. So just gotta be patient with it. If price wants to have a pullback and give me that top wick, cool. But if not, that's also cool. Like, anyways, I'm looking to sell. The move already happened basically. So now I just need an interest signal to take to enter the trade. That's literally it. Just an interest signal. I actually really like this order block that it just made. This experience, you're good. Alright, cool. I like this one. So all I gotta do is wait for the pullback, and we'll take a trade. That's really it. It's in a 5-minute. Yeah, I like the price action. I really like this. Okay. Yeah. So all I need is a pullback retest, give me an evening star pattern, and then I'll take this trade and set it down here to the structure points. So yeah, it's kind of tricky though because it's going to be in the middle of the move on the candlestick, but yeah, the setup is that we'll take it. USD, again, price is finally just not close to above, which is all good because then I can expect, okay, tomorrow's candlestick, Tuesday's candlestick to open, come down, Wednesday's candlestick give me that rejection, and Thursday's candlestick we can take that back. So literally this right here, let me show you, right on the screen. This right here is what I'm expecting on NZD-USD, on GBP-USD, and then now even on EUR-USD. Even though price is having this push to the upside, now all I need is a pullback, which could be tomorrow's candlestick pulls back, wicks down, then we can buy from there, or tomorrow's candlestick opens, closes down here. Wednesday's candlestick makes this doji like this, and then no, yeah, Thursday candlestick we can have the push. So this trade could be lining up this week, could be lining up next week. It just depends. Just gotta be patient, wait for that. USDK I'm looking to sell, so pull back to this structure point. Yeah. I don't feel comfortable taking this trade at all because I need to pull back to that structure point. Because I don't want to take a sell here and then next thing you know, price is like, oh, I'm actually gonna pull back to that structure point. So I don't feel comfortable with this. So we're just gonna wait. USDCHF looking to sell, but honestly, don't really pay attention to this market a lot. Just because it moves really fast and it's kind of inconsistent. I guess, yeah. I like the fair value gap that it made. The order block fair value gap has not retested it. So yeah, we can see if price comes back here, gives me an interest, you know. Maybe we'll take the trade. 5 minutes. Oh, I like the beautiful shift of structure. Head and shoulders pattern right here, break the neckline. So yeah, okay, cool, looks good. And then ADUSD, I'm looking to buy. But before I buy, I need to have a sell to retracement. I need a retracement to this structure point to buy from. So, yeah, I'm just not gonna look at this because it's not giving me a click. All right, cool. So, NZD-USD waiting for the pullback. GBP-USD waiting for the pullback. USD-JPY quick small pullback to take a trade to the downside. It's kind of tricky because it's in the middle of the candlestick, but it's still there. Not much on here. Not much on here. I guess decent trade lining up. I think I'm gonna move this one right here. And I just gotta be careful with this trade that I'm taking. It is at this order block on a 4 hour though, so you just gotta be careful with that. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna take a trade today. Alright, I'll update you guys if I did take a trade. If not, then I'll just update you guys at the end of the day. Yeah. Okay, yo, what's going on YouTube? So, it's currently, let me show you, December 1st, 2025, 5:13 p.m. So, market just closed for the day. I like how the day closed. So, let me just break down what happened. I did not take a trade today. Just because, one, there was no setup for me to take. And then two, there was news coming out, so just didn't feel comfortable taking any trades. But for the most part, it was just, there was no setup for me to take. There is some news tomorrow, no Redfield news, but it's all good. So, NZDSD, again, I'm waiting for the pullback to this structure point to buy. Price did not give me a setup to sell this morning. So I was like, okay, cool. Didn't take the sell. Obviously, price did a bunch of shenanigans, pushed to the upside, and then eventually came back down. And now the 4 hour actually shifted bearish, which I really like, because now, tomorrow, honestly, even tonight, yeah, probably tomorrow, I can be potentially, look at this head and shoulder pattern that I'm making, by the way. I just noticed this. Most likely gonna have a pullback tonight, making right shoulder and then continue to the downside. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know what the market's gonna do. But coming to a market, price is just consolidating around this level. Tomorrow morning, I could be looking to take a sell down to the structure point, which would be one trade, and then it could potentially set up if the tomorrow's candlestick closes down here. Wednesday's candlestick will have like a deep retracement, like this candlestick right here, over here, and then Thursday we could be looking to buy, and Friday just hold it all the way up here. But we'll see what the market does tomorrow. I'll be looking to sell down here on the NZDSD. GPSD, same thing. Price, I like how price had a big bearish close to the downside for Monday's candlestick. It did push all the way up here and did tap this area of interest already, but yeah, I would still be. The thing is, like, price is at this structure level. What could it be doing? It could potentially be making a bearish doji wick, or yeah, and then next week we can potentially sell down. But because we were bullish on a weekly, and actually we're still bearish on a daily, but I will be looking to buy. So I'm still looking for the pullback to this structure point and then to buy all the way up here. Just gotta be patient and wait for that. If we do get this trade, get the sub to buy from all the way up here, buy to the structure point, then it would make the weekly do like a, hopefully a bearish doji or pin bar or whatever. This candlestick right here, whatever you call it, I don't even know anymore. But this candlestick right here, something like this on a weekly, which would then make sense for us to be selling next week. So yeah, just gotta be patient with that. USD/JPY, again, I'm looking for the continuation sells to the downside. Price had a big push today, had a retracement, closed up here, which is fine on the daily. 4-hour, good thing I did not take this trade. Good thing there was no setup for me to take this trade. Obviously, price did not respect my order block. So now, coming to a market tomorrow morning, I'm still looking for a continuation to the downside. So if I can get a setup tomorrow to sell, I'm gonna take that trade and just hold it, because I'm expecting USD/JPY to have the push all the way down here this week. So yeah, just need that setup. Open up, wake up, price action, keep me interested, and I would take the sell to the downside. USD/CHF, I'm looking to sell as well. Obviously, price pull all the way back up here and close out the bullish candlestick. I didn't look at the charts. I'm just not looking at them at the same time as I'm making this part of the video, so I'm analyzing at the same time. I don't know what I'm looking to do, so I don't really care about this pair. Put it down here. Euro USD price, beautiful close. I like how the daily closed. And now I like the 4-hour structure point, because now price is back at this order block and this price level, the structure level. So what I could expect is tomorrow's candlestick to open up, have a wick down, right? And then have the push to upside. So I'll be looking to buy tomorrow. Or we could just wait for tomorrow's candlestick to close to see what price wants to do. And then based off that, we can be looking to buy either on Wednesday or sell. But I think honestly, price will open tonight, have a wick down, and then push to the upside. And then we can catch this buy to the upside, which I wouldn't mind. I'm okay with that. So yeah, I like the price action. I like how the 4 hours trending up. 1 hour, let's see. Yeah, I like the price action. So we could be looking to buy on this. Let me actually move this. Number 2 pair. And then USD CAD, still looking to sell. Price had a retracement to this structure point like I expected. So now all I need is, honestly, tomorrow's candlestick. Whoa, the 4 hour just shifted bullish. Okay, that's fine. But I could expect tomorrow's candlestick to open up, push maybe a little higher, and then close back down here. I would need price to do something like this. Let me take this. So I need price to do something like this, like these blue candlestick. But I want this to be happen right here, but I want it to close red. If that does close red, then we could potentially be looking to take a trade on Wednesday to the downside. So yeah, if not, actually we could be looking to take a sell tomorrow. Can't really say that right now because I don't know what the price action is going to be looking at when it comes to the charts tomorrow, but I could be looking to take a sell tomorrow or potentially Wednesday. So yeah, ADSE don't really get too much. I'll be looking to buy, but I don't really care. Price is not really giving me that price action. Price could pull back here tonight and then have the push tomorrow. I don't really know. We're going to see. But yeah, so NZDSD still looking to buy, waiting for the retracement to buy. Your USD, we could honestly just buy tomorrow, but we could also wait for tomorrow's candlestick to see what it does. GPUSD waiting for the pullback to buy. USD JPY just looking for the continuation to sell. And USD CAD, I don't know if we're going to be selling on this tomorrow, but most likely Wednesday. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on that. So I will update you guys tomorrow morning when I come to the charts to trade. Alright, yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mo. I'll come back next part of the video. So it's currently Tuesday, December 2nd, 2025, 7:54 a.m. I'm giving you guys an update because I didn't give you an update earlier. But I did end up taking one trade. We are currently down like $150. Now we're down $200. Wow, okay. But anyways, let me just break down this trade. So I took a trade on USD JPY. I'm gonna break it down why I took this trade, why this trade made sense to me. There's a lot going on right now. But first, yeah, actually let me just break down. So coming to the daily, last week I was looking to sell. Last week, the weekly candlestick made this doji candlestick right here. So I'm like, okay, cool. Lines lining up nicely for me to look for sales this week. Cool. Daily had the push last week. Price started having a retracement. I was like, okay, cool. Coming to this week, all I needed was a pullback to catch a potential entry and then hold it down to the downside. Cool. Coming to a market 4 hour, we are bearish. I'm like, okay, lines up. Now, the thing is, I took this trade a little differently than I would take others because this one, I used the 4 hour order block. So 4 hour made this beautiful order block right here. 1 hour made an order block within the 4 hour. So I'm like, okay, cool. 2 on 2, I'm okay with that. Then if you go down to a 15 minute didn't really make an order block, but since it's back at this 4 hour and 1 hour order block and it's retesting me, I'm like, okay, cool. All I need is to shift the structure for me to take this straight to the downside. Cool. So price, I drew up this line right here because if you go on a 5 minute, price is consolidating a lot at the zone. So all I needed was price to shift structure on a 5 minute, which would then shift structure on a 10 minutes. It wouldn't shift structure on a 15 minute, but on the 10 minute, I'm okay with that. So then price almost did it on this candlestick right here, but this is why you wait and you follow your trading plan. So price didn't close below here, so I didn't take it right there. Price kept doing whatever shenanigans, and then next candlestick, fat engulfing candlestick, closed below the structure point. 15 minute also closed below. So now I'm like, okay, cool. I did a sell limit, so I did 7 lots right here, stop loss all the way up here, and entries right here. So I originally did that. Obviously, price opened up. The hourly candlestick closed for the 6 o'clock hour. I don't know. The hourly candlestick closed. So then the next one opened up. Let me show you. And from down here, and now I was expecting the retracement to this entry, tap me into the trade, and then continue to sell to the downside. Obviously, price opened up, did this shenanigan right here, pushed up, quite didn't touch it, come back here. This one didn't quite reach up there again. So what I ended up doing is I ended up taking the position. So I entered 7 lots right here. And now it looks like price is pulling back to my entry. And now, actually, let me modify this. So now it looks like price is pulling back to my entry to take the original trade that I was looking to do. So, well, price is about to get me to this trade. So that means I took 7 lots right here. Let me actually mark this up so I can come back and pay attention to this later on. Enter 7 lots right here, and then price is about to tap me into the trade with this one right here. So then we're about to be in another 7 lots. So yeah, I'm just gonna let price do it. Like, I'm fine with this trade. This is a really good trade. The risk to reward on this trade makes sense to me. I should move this. Like, price, I'm still expecting to sell all the way down to the structure point. Is it gonna happen this week? Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. But I think price will have to push the downside. So that's why I'm taking this trade. The contours line up, the price action, the market structure, everything just makes sense for me to take this trade. So I took this trade. First area target, it will be this 4 hour level right here, which I know seems kind of far, but it's right here. So this level right here. And then potentially based on what price does around this area, then I would be looking to continue holding to the downside even more. So let me put this below here. I hope this is recording. All right, cool. So took the trade. So technically I risked 2% on this trade. I was looking to only risk 1%, but this is a good trade and I'm okay with it. So I risked 2% on it. and now we're in both positions. So now we're down $400. It's all good. Just gotta wait it out. I put my stop loss at good level, so not too worried about this. Like, I followed my trading plan, did everything I was supposed to do. So now we just let the trade do its thing. So yeah, NZDSD. I was looking to this week. I'm looking to buy from this short-term point. Obviously, price is not having retracement down. I'm looking for a sell from this area down into here to set up for the buys. Obviously, price doesn't really want to give me that sell, and it looks like it wants to push the upside. Which, if it wants to do that, cool. Do whatever you want to do. Like, I can't control the markets, so that's fine. USD, same thing. I'm looking to buy from this area. Price already had a pullback. Candlestick, daily candlestick closed like this. Price action had a pullback tonight. So now coming to market, I would be looking to buy from this short-term point. There wasn't really an order block made, so there was no area for me to buy from. So now I'm just waiting, really. I see price will have to push this, so I'm not worried. There is news, Euro news coming out. Oh, it already happened. All right, cool. So USD news, not really too worried about it. But yeah, price is just doing whatever. So I'm still looking to buy on this trade. If I see a setup to buy, I'll be looking to buy. USD CAD, I'm looking to sell. Price is doing beautiful price action. I literally can't like explain this any more than that. But whoa. Am I actually? Hold on, let me see. Okay, let me just go on USD CAD. Price is making beautiful price action, beautiful market structure. What did I say? I would wait for the weekly. I'm looking to sell, pull back to this structure point to sell to the downside to here. What I would need, price to pull back. Then what would Tuesday's candlestick do? I need Tuesday's candlestick to do this candlestick right here. I literally marked it up. I need this candlestick to happen right here, but I would like it to close red. Once that happens, then we'll be looking to take a sell on Wednesday. So it's currently Tuesday. Monday's candlestick already had push. Tuesday most likely gonna do that, and then Wednesday we could be looking to sell down here. So nice trade setting up. I actually might move this up here. GPUSD, same thing as USD. I'm looking to buy from this short-term point. Price had a pullback, strong pullback yesterday. Today's candlestick, what is it doing? Literally the inverse of USD CAD. This candlestick that I need this candlestick right here. If this price closes like this today, I would be okay with it. If it closes bullish, that would be even better. But if price did end up closing down here, that would be fine. Because in tomorrow's candlestick, I can expect the Wednesday's candlestick to be something like this, but down here instead. And then Thursday, Friday, we could be looking to buy. But if price closes like this today, I would be okay with that. If it goes blue, it would be even better. ADSD, I'm looking to buy, looking for the pullback here. Price doesn't want to give it to me. And then I'll be looking to sell on USD CHF. But right now, one setup on USD JPY. I like the price action. I like the flow. So just going to hold this trade. And then Euro USD lining up, we could potentially take this tomorrow. USD CAD, we can potentially take this tomorrow. And GBP USD, we could be taking this tomorrow or Thursday. Or what? Yeah, tomorrow, Thursday. And then NZDSD, we could still be looking. I don't know what price wants to do. I'm still looking to buy on here. I just need a retrace on here, but it is what it is. So right now, just focus on this trade. And I'll update you guys when I come back from work. This is going to be a long video, but yeah, I'll update you guys later. Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mo. I'm back again. It's currently, let me show you. 5:24 p.m. December 2nd, 2025. It's Tuesday, and as you can tell, we are currently still in this trade. Now, something weird is happening. I don't know what's going on with this trade, but we were up right around this point. We were up like over $1,000, but right now it only says I'm up $435, and the spread fee is $176. That's kind of weird. That's a little weird, but yeah, that's kind of weird to me. I don't know why price did that. I guess price had like an open candlestick. It's kind of, I don't know. It's gonna fix itself. But yeah, so we're in this trade. Really nice trade. Just holding it. I like how the daily close didn't close all the way up here, but closed down here. And tonight I like how the 4-hour closed as well. Nice spinning top, I guess. Candlestick. I don't know how to explain this. I like this candlestick. I like the nice bearish push to the downside. If you're going to lower time frame on the 1 hour, I like the price action. Good trade overall. Like, follow my trade plan, did everything that I was supposed to do. So now we're just gonna keep holding this trade. Yeah. I'm gonna hold this trade all the way down to this structure point right here, and even potentially hold it down here. But based on, I'm gonna wait and see what price does around here, and then we'll decide from there. Let me actually do this. Oh, and on top of that, there is a beautiful trade lining up that I literally like. Like, this is such a nice trade. There's a nice trade cooking up on GPUSD. Look at the daily. Look how the daily close. This is a good trade right here. So, obviously I've been waiting for the pullback to this structure point all week to buy to the upside. What did we have? Monday's candlestick, we closed at this. Tuesday's candlestick, we had to push to the downside, retested the EMA, and we closed all the way up here. I like how we closed out this kidney doji. Now, if we had closed like bullish, which I guess technically, it's still bearish. If we had closed a little bullish, I'll be okay with this trade, which I'm still okay with this. Like, this is nice projection. So coming to the market tomorrow morning, oh, look at the price action on the 1 hour. Look at the inverted head and shoulders pattern that it's making. Oh man, I just spotted that, sorry. I'm just not getting on the charts to see this. Like, this trade is just lining up nicely. But yeah, so coming to the market tomorrow, well, tonight I think price is going to open up, which it already has. Have a little wick down. I'm anticipating a little retracement, a deeper retracement, probably somewhere down here. And then from there, we can expect the push to the upside tomorrow. So coming to the market, I would be looking to buy on this. And it makes sense because if I'm looking to buy on this, I would be looking to sell on this. Inverse cross pair correlation. Just makes sense like that. So this is my like second pair for the week. Like, I really like this setup. I like that the way that it's closed, the way that it's nice. Like, it's just clean setup. I can get like a quick 1 to 2 on this trade. Yeah. USD, I'm looking to buy as well. Price isn't, like, the setup is already there. All I'm waiting for is an entry signal to take this trade. But yeah, it's not as clean as GPSD, but I would be okay with taking this buy. So if I come to the market and I get a setup to buy tomorrow, I'll be taking this buy to the upside. USD CAD, I was looking to sell. I was hoping, well, I don't want to say I'm hoping, but I was waiting for the daily candlestick to close. And I wanted the price to close like this candlestick right here, as you can tell up here. I was waiting for this to happen right here, but instead of blue, to have it red. Obviously, price did not do that. Price continued to close all the way down here. So now, I do want to take this trade, but the thing is, the trade is already halfway to the structure point. Now, price could very well break past the structure point, which it could do that. But if I come to the market tomorrow, I'll be looking to sell. I'll just be looking to catch like a small position on this trade. That's really it. But yeah, this trade is basically already gone for this week. NZDSD, I'm looking to buy. Price didn't pull back here, so I see price. I'm just gonna keep watching it. ADSD, same thing. USDCHF, I'm looking to sell. Price had a beautiful close below on this structure point, so now I could be anticipating a quick pullback tomorrow morning, and then a sell to the downside. That's really it. But as of right now, I'm just focused on 3 pairs, mostly 2 of them. USDJPY, focused on this trade that I took and follow my trading plan. GBUSD, waiting for price to give me the entry signal tomorrow morning so I could buy up here. And EURUSD, if I get an entry signal to buy, I will be taking that buy to the upside. So yeah, I'll update you guys tomorrow morning on what's happening. This is gonna be a long video, but yeah, I'll update you guys on what the charts is doing and did. Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mo, and I'm back again with it's the same video, just another part of it. It's currently Wednesday. It's Wednesday, December 3rd, 2025, 6:28 a.m. So let's break down the charts and tell you what's been happening. So as you can tell, we are still in this trade on USDJPY. This trade is actually floating a lot right now, and we're up 4,000. Actually, I'm just gonna record this. I'm just gonna screen record this. But I'm up 3, 2, 1. So I'm up $4,800 right now, showing it on my screen. But here it is. Let's go to the chart. This is the chart. This is what it's looking like. So price is pushing, and then back to the trade. So that's where we're at right now. Cool. So as you can tell on my screen, trade is flowing beautifully. Honestly, after like thinking about this is actually like something that I could add to my trading plan. Because think about it, price made a 4-hour order block. There's a 1-hour order block within the 4-hour order block. Price already came back, retested multiple times. Now all I would need is a shift the structure to take this out to the downside. which I got. So I actually like that. I think I'm gonna start implementing that. I'm not saying I'm gonna change my whole strategy completely, but this would be a good addition to my strategy. So yeah, this is a good trade. Just holding on to it. There is news today, USD news. So I gotta be careful about that. But honestly, I'm still gonna hold the trade past the news. So we're gonna let it do its thing. Euro USD, as you all saw in the previous clip, I was looking to buy. Obviously, price opened up and just kept pushing and pushing. Beautiful push from the 4-hour. Shit, the structure is not bullish. Well, it was always bullish, but not as bullish even more. 1 hour bullish, 30-minute bullish, 15-minute bullish. So now I would be looking to buy. I'm not in a rush to take a trade on this because I'm already in the trade on USDJPY. So I'm just trying to manage that one to the best of my ability. But I would be looking to take a trade from this order block right here. Actually, I like this one a lot better. Yeah, I like this one a lot better. And price shift the structure right here. So I'm okay with that. So actually, let me see this. Yeah, so I'm okay with that. So I would need a pullback to this order block to buy. I don't think price would give me that pullback for me to buy. I think price will just continue, which that's fine. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay not taking this trade. GPUSD, bruh, the whole move happened. Look at it. Like, what did I say? Pullback. I like how this candlestick open. This one wick down, open up, and then we can take the buys up here. Obviously, price had to move all the way up here, so now I'm not looking at taking this trade anymore. Like, the move already happened. So it is what it is. Beautiful trade, called it nicely. Let's go. And if it's just breaking above here, there's gonna be a nice setup next week. Literally the same thing that happened here, I'm expecting here. Break above, retest, continue. Literally that simple. USD CAD, what I say, pull back here to sell, price sold down here. The move already happened, so there's no need for me to get in the charts. That's me chasing it, and I'm not gonna chase it, so I'm just gonna leave it right there. NZDSD, I was expecting a pullback to buy. Price never pulled back, but it is pushing up to buy, so move already happened. Just keep watching it. ADSE, same thing. I was waiting for a pullback to buy. Move already happened. Didn't give me the pullback, so it is what it is. And USDCHF, waiting for the pullback to sell. Price already sold. The move basically is almost over because it's almost at the structure point, so there's no need for me to take a trade on this or even look to enter a position on this because the move already happened. Like, it is what it is. I mean, if I do take a trade, I don't like this. All right, cool. So the main trade right now is USDJPY. I would be looking to scale in. So if there's an opportunity to scale in on this trade, I would take it. Actually, there is one right there. This order back right. So I'll update you guys a little bit before I go to work, just to show you what it's doing, and then after that, I'll update you guys at the end of the day. Now, news is coming out, so I have to be, I guess, vigilant with that. But I don't know. Like, I'm still gonna hold this trade. Like, this is my TP1. My overall TP is, let me show you, all the way down here actually, but this will take like probably 2 or 3 days to do that, which is fine. But yeah, I'm just gonna wait for price to come down to the structure point, and from there I'll figure out what I'll need to do. So yeah. All right, YouTube. So it's currently 7:34 a.m. Still Wednesday, December 3rd, 2025. Obviously, price is pushing to the downside, which is good for me. Like, I'm okay with that. I was anticipating the pullback here to sell. I don't know if price will have the pullback to sell, but honestly, not gonna be on the chart. I'm about to go to work, so I'm not gonna be on my phone too much. But yeah, honestly, I'm just gonna keep holding this trade. Like, that's the main thing. Just keep holding this trade and letting it do its thing. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Yo USD didn't get the pullback to buy, so I'm okay with that as well. Sorry. Burp. GBSD, yeah. Not really looking to take a trade on this one today. I like that it's pushing up though. But you see that break, retest, continue. Look, break, retest, continue. Bro, just wait. USD CAD, big push. I'm okay with that. NZDSE pushing. ADSE, yep. USDCHF, yep. So markets are doing their thing. Gonna continue holding this trade. I will update you guys at the end of the day based on what news does too, because the news is about to come out at 8:15. So we'll see what that does. But yeah, I'll update you guys later. Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mo. I'm back again. So I just saw in a previous clip, actually I don't even know if I'm gonna put this in there. Well, I already did, I guess. If there's no clip before this, then I didn't put it in there. But if there is, there you go. I was gonna put it, but yeah, there you go. So as you can tell, we are still in this trade on USDJPY. So a good trade so far. Let me actually show you something that's funny. Look at this, man. This, man. So I'm recording on my phone right now. I'm gonna put this on top of this. But as you can tell, we're up $6,868. But at the top, it says $6,158. Why is there a difference? The swap fee. If y'all remember yesterday or the day, yeah, I literally said the swap fee was $136. And we held it, so we held it overnight from Tuesday, cause I took this, Tuesday, right? Yeah. So I took this Tuesday morning, we held it Tuesday night. The swap fee was 136 when the market closed. Now it's, hold up. It's 6:11 p.m. when I'm recording this. So, actually, as you can tell the swap fees. Hold up, okay, first I messed this up. Let me delete this. Hold up. I'm gonna redo it again. I'm gonna share my screen. So, you should be able to see it now. So, we're up 6,900. But at the top is 6,100. Why? Swap fees is $700. Yesterday it was 136. Today it is $700. I don't understand why. Like, that's really annoying to me. I don't understand why. So now we're basically down $700. Like, so whatever we make, they're gonna take $700. Why? That doesn't make sense. Why is the swap fee so high? This is like the first funding account that I've had that the swap fee is this high. Normally that's $30, $40, $700. Well, it depends on different pairs, right? But USDJPY, $700. Are you serious? So here's the thing. I'm going to continue holding this here because originally I was thinking about closing it here. But based on today's candlestick, like, I think price will, because today's Wednesday. So price still has Thursday and Friday to push to the downside. So what I'm going to be doing is, based on this candlestick, I like how it closed, bearish close. So I'm going to be holding this candlestick. Hold on, let me delete this video. Why is it so long? Okay, so what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be holding this trade all the way down to the structure point. I believe price will have this move this week, and I'm going to do the best that I can to capitalize off of it. If not, then I'll probably close somewhere around here. Actually, let me put that number. So I would be looking to close somewhere around here. But if not, I think price will have to push the downside, so I'll be holding all the way down here. So yeah, that's really it. That's the only update I have. Euro USD. Beautiful push that I was expecting. Price didn't give me an entry signal today, so I didn't take a trade. GPUSD, beautiful move that I was expecting. No entry signal was given. Price already pushed the upside, so yeah. USD CAD, beautiful move that I was expecting. Again, price didn't give me an entry signal. Push. NZD USD, same thing. ADSD, same thing. USD CHF, same thing. So we were able to catch one of those trades because only one setup was presented. So yeah, that's what the trade is looking at right now. Most likely going to have like a retracement overnight, and then we can expect to push tomorrow. And I held this trade through news today, actually. And news didn't really impact it too much. Is there news tomorrow? Let's see. Yeah, there's news at 8:30. Wow. Okay. So, yeah, I'm still going to hold this trade. We're going to hold it down to the structure point. I will update you guys tomorrow morning, though. This is going to be a long video, but I know I've said that multiple times, but I'll update you guys tomorrow morning. Yeah. Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mo, and I'm back again, and this is the last section of this video. Now, it's currently Thursday, December 4th, 2025, 6:32 a.m. And I am proud to say, first, thank you God, thank you Jesus Christ, thank you for this opportunity. But I passed phase 1 of my funded account. Now, it's been a long time coming. Before we start, let me just show you the metrics real quick. So I started this account in October, and we just now passed it in December. Win rate 44%. So we made close to $10,000. Well, 9,000. We made 10,000 like 600, but Because of the swap fee, it was like 908 but that's okay because I already up like 100,000 and $100. So it made sense. But I passed my funding account. I got the 10. Look, so I got the 10% that was needed. Oh, whoa. Okay, there you go. Yeah. So it took me 12 trading days overall, and yeah, passed the account. That's what it is. So now let's break down the trade. I'm gonna give a brief breakdown right here, and then I'm gonna make a separate video breaking down, okay, why did I take this trade and stuff. But yeah, so this is the trade that we took on USDJPY. As y'all can tell, trade was flowing beautifully. I don't know if it showed this in the previous clip, but last night before I was going to bed, this was having like a massive retracement. Like you see this bullish candlestick, and I was looking at this on a 4 hour. Well, actually, yeah, 1 hour, but on the 4 hour, it was like pushing up here. So I'm thinking, bruh, the 4 hour about to close up here, and I had a choice. I really did. One choice was, hey, close the trade out right there, right? Take my, because we were up like 8% right here somewhere, like $8,000. But then by the time price went back here, we're up like maybe 5,400, 800, 4,800 something. So I was like, okay, cool. Do I close the trade out right now in case price wants to have the deep retracement all the way up here, or do I just keep holding the trade? And I just held the trade. Why? One, I learned from my lesson that every time I've noticed that most times when I get fearful and I close a trade out early, the trade doesn't even, like sometimes, yes, it hits stop loss and close out. But most of the time, price just goes in my direction and I called the trade perfectly. My analysis was on spot. I just closed it out early. So I decided to hold it. And as well as that, I held the trade through news yesterday. 3 red folder news, right? Or something like that. Let's check. I held it through red folder news and orange folder news on the USD. And it didn't affect my price action a lot. So I'm like, okay, cool. Like, why am I going to close this trade out? Like, oh, hold up. My screen is frozen a little bit. I guess the camera's still working, I guess. My computer, I need a new computer. But, so then I held it through news yesterday. So I'm like, okay, cool. Like, it's fine. I'm going to bed. Although I'm also anticipating this. Price will have a retracement and then a big sell-off, which is exactly what happened. Hold up, let me do this real quick. Hold up. My computer screen is frozen right now. My computer's going through a lot. Anyways, so then I did that. So as I was going to bed, I was like, okay, cool. Price is either going to do one or two things. It's either going to hit my take profit or hit my stop loss. So one of the two. And so with that mindset, bro, I put my phone down. I went to go pray. I went to bed. That was it. I didn't really care about it. So woke up this morning. When I woke up this morning, price was at this candlestick right here. Let me actually show you. So price was actually down here when I woke up. It was like over 10,000, like close to 11,000 actually. And then I was gonna let it, because if you go on the daily, I was going to hold the trade all the way down to the structure point, but all I need to pass the funding account is 10,000. So I didn't want to be greedy. I wanted to close it out, but before I could close it out, this candlestick opened up and started pushing up. So then it was back at like 9,000 something. I was like, bruh, you serious right now? So then I had to wait, and so price came back above like 10,000. It gets to like 10,600 something, and then I ended up closing out because the swap fees made it like 9,000 something, which then give me the 10% that I need to pass my funding account. So once that happened, close the trade right here, and obviously price just keeps going and melting. So yeah, really good trade. As of right now, I'm not gonna take any more trades the rest of the week. Like, it's Thursday. The move already happened. I guess I could catch a continuation today, but I don't see it happening, so we're just gonna let it do its thing. And then Friday, I'm not trading because I already took my trade for this week. There's no need to put capital at unnecessary risk. But I'm going to make a separate video breaking this trade more in detail, and then showing you guys my past phase 1 certificate. I haven't received it yet, but yeah, I'll put it there and show you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a long video, a lot of editing. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment, and yeah, stay tuned for the next one. God bless you, and yeah, God bless you. Amen.